Welcome to UK Tax Unpacked, where we make tax make sense. If you're wondering how to register for self-assessment with HMRC, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the process, step by step, so you can get it done without the stress. Let's start with the big question. Do you even need to register? If you're self-employed, a landlord earning over £1,000 a year, a company director or making untaxed income, like from crypto, dividends or side hustles, then yes, you probably do, and if HMRC has sent you a letter asking you to file, don't ignore it. That's your cue to register. Before you dive in, here's what you'll need. Your national insurance number, your full name and address, your date of birth, a working email address, and, if you're self-employed, the date you started your business. Having these ready will save you time and hassle. All right, let's get into it. Head to gov.uk and search for Register for Self-Assessment. Click the option that fits your situation. Most people will choose Register if you're self-employed. If you don't already have a government gateway account, you'll be prompted to create one. Once you're in, fill out your details carefully. HMRC will then post you a unique taxpayer reference, or UTR, which can take up to 10 working days, so don't leave this to the last minute. Once your UTR arrives, you're officially in the system. You'll also get an activation code to access your self-assessment account online. From there, you can file your return, check deadlines, and manage your tax affairs, all in one place. Here's the key date to remember. You must register by 5th October following the end of the tax year you need to file for. Miss it, and you could face penalties, even if you don't owe any tax. So register early, stay organised, and keep things simple. And that's it. Registering for self-assessment unpacked. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more no-fuss tax tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.